I am Parth Sarawagi. I am director of Laxmipati Apparels. Currently, to give you context about Laxmipati Group, we were founded in 1984. After that, with a saree retail shop. After that, we both forward and vertically integrated into the textile field. So, since 2008, we've started manufacturing, where we set up our processing house first, and then we set up our own weaving, embroidery, embellishment. And in 2024, Lakshmipati came up with the latest vertical of garmenting. With garmenting, our main focus is to enter the activewear space along with knitting. So the company is aiming a project of 700 crores, investing 700 crores in the next 5 years with an integration of polyester knits, nylon knits with approximately 30% spandex and going into the bonded side of things in garmenting. So here we can also see garments where we have bonded, and we are also looking at lingerie and men boxers where we want to go on the bonded side as well. So as much as technicalities as we can go to, and with technical textiles as well, the company is investing a lot with more finer deniers and more performance wear fabrics. Thank you.